Bigat ang phone mo, man. Alright. Na-reach na natin, mahal. Alam mo kung ano na-reach natin? More than 15 seconds of run. This is it, guys. Registration time. I don't know ba't ako nagsasalita dito kasi di ko may idea to, pero dapat yung mag-video nagsasalita tapos dito. So, dapat nag-pig kami.
Hi, we just collected our shirts. Volunteering shirts. I don't know.
May pa-shirt sila. Sa Olivia, sa ate Olivia. Ayun guys, ayun yung start. Start line. Diyan din yung finish line.
Ayun.
Nakuha namin yung shirt namin. Ayan na, volunteer. May live band pa sila guys. Mahal, bakit mo ba ako in-invite to volunteer here? What does it mean for you?
Because it's my birthday. 2 days ago. I wanna do something selfless. And since I'm also part of a non-profit organization, I wanna be a part of their events as well. So mag-volunteer. So nakikita ko we have a lot of events na cancer-related. We can also run together with them. Actually, we can run na now.
Wow!
And encourage them. We're part of the Spirit Squad. What we do is we're gonna encourage those participants, give positive energy,
Pag-gaya pa kami guys. Oh.
positive spirit para hindi sila mapagod. Like, go, you can do it. You're doing great.
Practice siya guys.
You're doing great. You're doing great. Ano yung mga gagawin namin? So I wanna be part of it kasi yung mga participants dito, either one of their family members has cancer, had cancer, or they themselves had cancer. So they're cancer survivors. And it's really a memorable event na design na namin ng mahal ko.
Ayun na nga, nung in-invite niya ako dito, I'm like, okay, what should I expect? But then nung mention niya nga na most people who will participate in this kind of runs are basically, yun na nga, nagkaroon na ng cancer or cancer survivor, or some of them namatayan sila ng loved one na may cancer, and or someone has cancer, currently battling cancer sa family nila, and I'm like, oh nga, this is run for a cause, run for a cure sa may cancer society, Canadian Cancer Society, right? And yeah, and I just wanna say, shout out to CIBC by the way. Yan, CIBC sila ang gumawa nito. Sila ang nag-hold ng event na ito. Event pa sila doon.
Ayan guys, buti na lang maganda yung weather. Medyo malamig-lamig. Hindi mainit. We brought our jackets but I think we don't need it. Nandito kami ngayon sa napakagandang park. Yung mahal ko.
Pero ba, may wheelchair yung iba? Siyempre, tuturo na naman ako, di ba?
Tuturo na naman siya. Hindi na naman niya mapigilan yung mga daliri.
May wheelchair, tapos may ahong masama.
Ayan, thank you mahal ko for joining me here.
Of course.
Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mahal ko kasi he has never done this before. Even myself, but syempre marami siyang gagawin. Marami pa siyang mga deliverables.
Wow!
He was able to join me here
Ano ang gawin natin today?
sa akin.
Makikisabayan na tayo eh. We have a few friends already who passed away because of cancer.
You have a few friends?
Yeah. Sa Pilipinas pa. Mas na-feel ko ngayon yung essence sa ginagawa natin. So, yeah. Strength. Huwag dyan, may buhok. Masakit.
Ay mo dito? Para kita ko natin. Hey, mahal!
Someday, pink will just be a color, not a ribbon to remember.
I thought, that looks interesting. I
Bali.
discovered a new and an upcoming brook group at Lake Ridge Health.
Helping people.
Start na, guys! Guys, we just finished our 1K. Mahal, napapagod na ako. So ayun, guys, tumakbo kami pero nag-last lang ng mga seconds. Maraming seconds. Nag-last lang maraming seconds.
Maging specific.
Pagod ako.
Mga berks namin, guys. Oh.
Ha?
Ako kasi mga berks namin, guys. Mga bagong barkada. Yan, oh. Nani? Ang bigat ang phone mo, men. Alright. Na-reach na natin, mahal. Alam mo kung ano na-reach natin? More than 15 seconds of run.
Okay na siguro na.
Wala pang...
Mahal, napapagod na ako.
I think yun na para ito, diba? Para sa cancel, mahal. Pa di ako magka-cancel. Grabe guys, nakakatuwa kasi yung mga tao sumasali dito, yung mga tumatakbo. They're actually with their families, with their groups, with their friends. Tapos yung mga t-shirt nila pare-pareho. Tapos may nakasulat, running for their mom, running for their friend. May iba mga pangalan pa eh. Team Tess. Siguro si Tess. Sorry. Siguro kasi naman niya. Sino naman siya. I'm sure siya yung reason.
Yeah.
Diba, ginagawa ng family nito. And yeah, it's a good cause, it's a good reason to do this kind of runs. Mas may purpose, kumbaga.
Ay, nauna sa akin. I'm gonna bring something.
Hey guys, my name is Bradley Cruz. I'm 31 years old. Nani? I'm from Toronto, Ontario. And I joined Canada's Got Talent. Tapos, sa huli, palagi. Takbo, mahal.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, hurry up, Melina. Show you have a big camera.
Oh, bro, you think she's annoying?
Saan nakakaya kala Chuchuyo?
Wow! Finish line! Oh, diba? How's the experience, ma?
Hindi masyadong nakakapagod.
Hindi naman obvious.
Hindi siya nakakapagod.
But it's such a good experience, right? Again, for me, it's not just any other regular runs. It's for a good cause. Good cause talaga. Especially, ayun ang daming, may wall of hope pa dun, no? But, yeah.
Oo nga, no?
Dami nakasulat, we are running for our mom, we are running for our sister, iba, wife, mga ganun. So, ang ganda ng experience.
Yeah, I think we can do it. Okay.
Especially, we're doing this as part of your birthday weekend.
Yeah.
Making a difference.
Birthday for a cause.
Ayos ba?
Thank you, Mahal, for joining me here.
Of course.
We're about to eat something.
Yan. Now,
Looking forward.
family lunch, birthday lunch for my mahal. See you there.
Bye!
To see more date ideas and fun couple activities, click here.
See you in the next one.